As we step away from the crumbling cliffs and turn inland, the sea breeze fades and something softer takes its place. Here in Hemsby village, the past still lingers in the air, carried along beach road like the scent of chips and candy floss on a summer's afternoon. You see, this isn't just a holiday spot, it's a time capsule. And as we walk, I invite you to slow down, to notice the little things, and maybe, just maybe, rediscover a memory you didn't know you had. Just ahead, the arcades begin to flicker into view, those familiar sounds of coins tumbling, buttons clicking, and laughter echoing from families who've been coming here for generations. Did you ever spend a rainy afternoon in a place like this? Rows of 2p machines, grabbing claws, and that unmistakable buzz of seaside fun. Believe it or not, Hemsby has been a magnet for holiday makers since the early 20th century, especially from Norwich, the Midlands, and London. It was the kind of place you came back to every summer. Same chalet, same chip shop, same happy faces. And here's something I bet you didn't know. Christopher Lee, yes, the legendary actor himself, once filmed a movie right here in Hemsby. Back in the early 1970s, scenes from the Blood Beast Terror were shot along the coastline and village lanes. Imagine that Dracula himself wandering these very roads. Did you know that? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear if you've seen the film. As we stroll past the gift shops, you'll notice names that have probably been here for decades. These shops sell everything you'd expect: buckets, spades, sticks of rock, and if you're lucky, a pair of flashing flip-flops you'll regret buying by tea time. There's a kind of honesty in places like this. No flash, no fuss, just simple pleasures. And sometimes, isn't that all we really need?
Take this promise for the road. If there's one thing that you know, when you're out there all alone, with all the warmth my devoted heart holds, I'll be kind to you the rest of my days. And I'll be kind to you the rest of my days.
Just a little further down is Richardson's Holiday Park, a place many families call home for a week or two each summer. It's not just a holiday park, it's a tradition. Children racing to the pool, parents sipping something cold in the sun, and everyone wondering if it will rain after tea. And on days like this, well, it hardly matters. You know, there's something hauntingly beautiful about British seaside towns. They hold layers of time, the golden days, the quieter winters, the roaring crowds, and the lonely deck chairs. But Hemsby still holds on, fiercely, proudly, even as the sea tries to nibble away at its edge. It's a place of resilience, a place where joy doesn't need to be polished, because it's already painted in every brick, every sign, every battered arcade token. And here's another fun fact. Hemsby was once home to a pirate radio station in the 1960s. Radio Caroline's signal was sometimes picked up along this coast. Imagine lying in a chalet, listening to the forbidden sound of rock and roll crackling through the air. Bet you didn't expect that, did you? So what about you? Have you been to Hemsby before? Do you have a favorite memory here, or maybe somewhere like it? Drop your story in the comments. I do read them, and I'd love to hear where these old holiday roads take you back to. As we head back, retracing our steps past the arcades and towards the sea breeze once more, I hope this walk gave you something, maybe a smile, maybe a memory, or maybe just a little peace in your day. If you enjoyed this stroll, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gentle journeys like this, because there's still so much more of Norfolk and of Britain left to explore. Until next time.
Don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe for more adventure and hit that notification bell.